Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to bake these filled pancakes. The pancakes, I made them myself. If you want to, you can find a video on how to make them. And in this recipe I used leftovers chicken and leftover ricotta. Then I added some bacon, onions, cooking cream. You will see in the recipe what I added. But the main ingredient is the leftover from the chicken of yesterday, and I had leftover some ricotta. I am using the same oil that I used when I fried the chicken, because before I fried the chicken, I'm doing this recipe from chicken leftovers. I'm doing this recipe. So I'm frying the onions first I'm frying it in the same oil that I used to fry the chicken. You continue frying the onions first. Now we add some bacon, chopped bacon. I'm using the same oil because it has the same oil of the chicken where I fried the chicken. So the taste of the chicken, because the taste of the chicken is still there. So I'm using the same oil, so they take the same taste. So then you add some bacon and continue frying them. Now we add some cooking cream. Add some cooking cream. You can also use fresh cream, but I prefer cooking cream. We add some grated cheese to it. Pepper, we add some pepper. And we add the chicken leftovers that we had. We add them there too. So they take the taste too. We add them there for a while. Oh yeah. Now I added the ricotta that I had, the little ricotta that I had from yesterday. This is all with leftovers, ricotta leftover, chicken leftover, everything that I have with leftover. So I added the ricotta. It's not big, it's a small dish because I don't have that much filling. So I'm using a small dish. And I'm going to put some white sauce underneath the pancakes. I'm going to put some white sauce. So for the recipe for the white sauce, I have a recipe how to make the white sauce. You can find it in my videos, how to make the white sauce. So I'm putting white sauce underneath the pancakes. So as you can see here, I have the pancakes. I cut it in half because this dish is small, so I cut it in half. For the pancakes, I also have a video. If you want to make the pancakes yourself, I also have the video. Now, I'm going to start putting the filling in them. I'm putting some filling. Turn them like this and put them in the dish. You continue doing like that. Do the filling and put them in the dish. The pancakes, as you can see, are already filled. Now I made some sauce. And for the sauce I made some pulpa. I added some curry, and some pepper to it. And I put it, I cooked it, so I made some pulpa, curry, for this sauce I made pulpa, curry and pepper. Now I'm going to add some white sauce. I also made the white sauce to put on top. For those who don't know how to make the white sauce, I also have a video how to make it. So I'm putting some white sauce on top of it. And now on top I'm going to add some grated cheese on top. And then that is ready to bake it. You just bake it in the oven. And as you can see, it is ready baked. I just got it out from the oven. This is really good, as you can see. Hope that you try it. Bye for now.